Wait.
8. No, 2.
有黑客入侵了你的电脑。
一个傻子。
So now the story is the hare and the tortoise. Okay. So once upon a time, there was a speedy hare who loved to boast about fast he could run. One sunny morning, he spotted a tortoise slowly walking along the path.
Yeah.
The hare laughed loudly and called, "Hey, tortoise, you're so slow.
Yeah,
You can't even run."
because that's why the turtle can't run fastly.
Tortoise, wise and calm, looked up and said, "I may be slow, but I bet I can beat you in a race."
Yeah.
The hare burst out laughing. "You beat me? That's the funniest thing I've ever heard."
Yeah, he's the funniest
Let's
thing.
do it then. Let's race.
Yeah, he's the fastest and he's the slowest.
The fox, who was their friend, agreed to set the course and to be the judge. "Ready?
Set, go!
Shouted the fox, and off they went. Ooh, but the
And
turtle is so slow.
Yeah,
They're very fast, you know.
and the rabbit keeps running too much.
The hare zoomed off his legs of lure as he raced down the path. The tortoise started plodding along slow and steady, just as he always did. Before long, the hare was so far ahead,
Okay,
but he decided to take a nap.
okay.
"I'm so fast, I can afford a little rest,"
Yeah, he needs to rest.
he thought as he lay down under a shady tree,
Yeah,
and soon fell fast asleep.
and now the turtle is.
Turtle is so sneaky. Meanwhile, the
Meanwhile,
tortoise kept moving one slow step at a time, never stopping. He passed the sleeping hare quietly and steadily, making his way to the finish line. Slowly,
and now the rabbit keeps sleeping. Yeah, but the rabbit didn't notice the turtle.
Yeah. So when the hare finally woke up, he saw the tortoise nearing the finish line. He jumped up and ran as fast as he could, but it was too late.
And the
Tortoise had already crossed the finish line. "Yo, no, I need to win this one."